6. Now, back here at home, here are the temperatures outside. Seeing some spots right at that critical level of 32 degrees, like in Statesboro. Also, Hampton has been going up and down, kind of fluctuating right around the freezing mark. Also, Beaufort as well, seeing a temperature of 33. But if you draw a line from Metter to Statesboro up through just north of Ridgeland to Beaufort, south of that line, everyone is well above the freezing mark, running into the mid and upper 30s. And here's how everything's going to play out today. If you're not in this purple area here, you'll probably see just a cold rain throughout the day. This includes Savannah, Chatham County, all cold rain out of this event, and even south of there through Bryan County, also into Liberty, Long County. This stretches all the way down to Blackshear and Alma. Ice storm warnings for the areas that are in the purple, especially this morning. Sylvania and Hampton already seeing icing, could even be accumulating in northern parts of Hampton County, close to maybe a quarter of an inch already. We could see up to a half an inch of icing in Sylvania and also Hampton as we go throughout the daytime before the temperatures warm up above freezing this afternoon. Now, as we go into tomorrow morning, if you live in Candler, places like Metter, much of Bullitt County, and also parts of Effingham County, and even into Jasper County, you may see this change over to freezing rain early tomorrow morning. Now, here's live radar, seeing quite a bit of wet conditions all the way down to the panhandle of Florida. Look at the southeast, major icing event for central South Carolina, upstate South Carolina, also the Atlanta area. I would not go north out of Savannah on I-95 today. They're going to see very nice, nasty conditions, the icy roads there on I-95. And you can see from I-16 all the way back to Macon, seeing that wet weather with heavy rain that is coming down. Let's zoom in on the areas that are seeing the icing this morning. This includes Hampton along Highway 278. Mainly bridges and overpasses are being affected by this, with those temperatures right around freezing. The main roads, not so much a problem, but those elevated surfaces is definitely seeing some icing that could occur. And Yemassee along I-95 all the way down to Coosawhatchie is seeing some light freezing, also in Sheldon. This is into northern parts of Beaufort County as well. If you live just north of Beaufort, do not be surprised to see a little bit of glazing on some of the trees to start the day out. And then going back into Sylvania as well, and Hitonia is seeing a little bit of icing there, right on Highway 301 there in Sylvania. We had Samar Theodore, which is there, as reporting icing in Scravon County. Storm tracker model, there's that ice that we were talking about over the last couple of days. And you can see Statesboro, also Sylvania, Hampton, northern parts of Jasper County, also northern parts of Beaufort County as we start the morning out. But temperatures will warm above freezing for everyone as we go into the afternoon. You can see how it kind of transitioned after lunchtime today, just to a very cold rain. This is going to be a good soaking rainfall, probably between 1 and 2 inches of rain that we'll see out of this. This extends all the way in. Look at this, Wednesday evening, still seeing that rain, and then even into tomorrow morning, we'll see some showers. I was talking about that, maybe some more freezing rain towards sunrise tomorrow morning from Metter to Statesboro all the way back through Hampton. You may see another round of a little bit of icing conditions to start things off on Thursday. And take a look at how much rain we'll see. I was talking about 1 to 2 inches. Look at what the model is showing. Western areas like Sylvania down through Metter, over 2 inches, closer to the coast, between 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And this is dangerous conditions, not only the icing in some areas, but also lots of standing water on the roadways. Drive very carefully this morning and slow down for these wet roadways. But after we get through tomorrow morning, we'll get all the rain, nasty weather out of here, improving conditions. Great weather for Friday, just in time for Valentine's Day. Great weather on Friday evening for taking your Valentine out, where the temperature will be a little on the chilly side, but 60 degrees for the weekend, 66 on Sunday with lots of sunshine. So we'll get all this nasty weather out of here by the end of the work week. You're watching Good Morning Savannah at 6:44. We'll be right back after the break.